What happened?
All right, so you may be wondering why we're not having fun in the M4. Well, if you would take a look right here, can I get your flashlight? Because my phone's dead right now, so I can't even, that's my debit card. So as you can see, I have no belt. You're supposed to have a belt right there. Okay, can you guys see that right there? Let me get a little closer. There we go, right there. That's supposed to be a belt. Well, this is my belt. Right here, shredded up. So I have no belt, so we're stuck. But guess where we're stuck at? It's a BMW dealership. Not much BMWs here, but it's a BMW dealership, okay guys? There's a hotel over there. It's called Home 2, you wanna show them? Hotel right there. We're gonna have to walk over there to see if they have a phone charger.
It's also 1 a.m.
Yes, it's 1 a.m. guys. It's 1 a.m. We have work tomorrow and we're stranded at BMW because of this. I don't know what to do. I don't. This is, am I mad? I mean, no. Am I annoyed? Absolutely. There's nothing I can do now. I stay mad. This is literally, I can't. I would have never thought this was gonna happen at 1 a.m. We were just down here ripping it, having fun, and I'm like, we're driving right here, and I'm like, do you hear that? And it was just like a grinding noise. We were gonna pull in to check it anyways, and then we literally, the entire belt's gone. It's the first time being. Hi, do you have a charger that I could borrow for my phone?
The iPhone charger?
Yes.
Yes.
Please. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much. You're welcome. God. I still can't believe this is happening. Just a little update. It's 1:30 and we're still stuck here. To come scoop have not looked at their message. And it's been like 10 minutes. Actually, it's been longer than that probably. But give or take, my phone didn't die for like 20 minutes. Well, bad news. Good news, she had a charger so I can charge my phone. The bad news is no one replied. So we live 6 minutes away by car. It's gonna take us an hour and 15 minutes to get home because we're gonna have to walk. So yeah, if you guys don't hear from us, this is 2816. I'm very angry right now because now I gotta walk home after having to deal with this. Yeah, they like maybe it was user in error. I don't know. I don't think so. But now we're gonna walk home, so hopefully we make it. And also we don't have a house key. So yeah, that's that as well. We'll see you guys when we get home, hopefully. Affection.